Hi friends, good afternoon to all. This is Mike Padua and we are back to our latest analysis, and this is for this weekend of Friday through Monday, August 11 to 14, 2023, and this is our English version brought to you by Typhoon 2000 in partnership with Naga College Foundation, Aboitiz Power, Bank of the Philippine Islands, Avenue Plaza Hotel, the local government of Naga City, headed by our Honorable Mayor Nelson Legacion and our Honorable Congressman Gabi Bordado of the 3rd District of Camarines Sur. Let's start our report with the latest GovSat that we issued early this morning, and we have Panahon, which is now just a remnant low in the vicinity of North Korea, bringing some heavy rainfall across that area, as the system made landfall yesterday early morning across South Korea and dumped heavy torrential rainfall across central South Korea. That includes Seoul. So this is also an unprecedented storm since it lived for about 17 days and 6 hours as a tropical cyclone, roaming for 5 days in the vicinity of Okinawa, bringing some heavy and stormy weather, heavy rainfall with strong winds over this part of the southern islands of Japan. So it's quite one of those longest living cyclone, but nothing beats the longevity of Typhoon Miding, with international name Wayne, which roam over the northern areas of extreme northern Luzon and the West Philippine Sea for more than 3 weeks. That's a total span of 21 days, and that was during 1986. Okay, so that was one remarkable longevity when we speak of tropical cyclone formation due to warm sea surface temperature, and also good environment for the health of tropical cyclones. But right now, Panahon is gone. That's formerly Falcon. And we just have the only one left, which is Typhoon LAN, which is now moving closer towards area of Chichijima. Okay, and heavy rainfall and strong winds, typhoon force winds, will be expected over these areas within the next 24 to 48 hours, as it is moving very slowly at the speed of 7 kph. And it continues to enhance the southwest monsoon. Although mild, it is expected to bring afternoon or evening rain showers and thunderstorms across the western sections of the Visayas, portions of Mindanao, and some portions also of the Bicol region later tonight. And that's it. That's the effects that we are having right now. Hot and sunny conditions will continue across most parts of Luzon, but in the afternoon or evening, we expect this afternoon or evening localized thunderstorms. Okay, and if we take a look now at the fast animation, so there you go. You can clearly see here the eye of Typhoon LAN, which is almost a super typhoon. The winds as of 8 a.m. this morning was around 215 kph 1 minute average, and it's likely to still intensify. And I won't be surprised if it becomes a super typhoon. It depends on how good or how clear is the eye, and how developed is the intense eye wall surrounding this eye. Okay, and you can clearly see here in the Bicol region, we are still experiencing some hot weather with some chances of afternoon or evening rain showers and thunderstorms. Now here's the zoom in subtle animation. As you can see, thunderstorms are being felt across western Mindanao, northern Mindanao, and also the western sections of Panay and Negros. And there are some affecting Rojas and Bacolod. We have also here a large cluster of thunderstorms. This is a localized thunderstorms generated by the southwest monsoon, forming to the east of Samar and Samar area. Particularly the northern and eastern portions are having some thunderstorms as of this time, and maybe later tonight we will be having another round of localized thunderstorms in some sections of the Bicol region. So please take all necessary precautions for possible lightning strikes. We have one casualty yesterday in the vicinity of Sipocot, Camarines Sur, when actually I witnessed that lightning bolt. It's quite large, around 6:30 in the evening, and it struck the municipality of Sipocot. So take necessary precautions against lightning strikes. There are lots you can read on the internet on how to avoid this. Okay, and here's the track of LAN. It is likely to make landfall over southern Honshu, west of Tokyo, within the next 3 to 4 days. So please take all necessary precautions as the system is continue to move towards that direction. And if we take a look at the wind forecast from the European model, the southwesterly monsoonal flow will continue across the Philippine Islands, particularly the western sections of the Visayas, MiMaRoPa, and Western Mindanao, because of the enhancement of this Typhoon LAN. And that will be, and it will prevail until Monday. As you can see, this is Saturday and Sunday, and on Monday still the pull of the southwest monsoon will continue, although it's not strong, just moderate, mild, but it will enough. It will bring. It's still enough to bring some afternoon and evening rain showers and thunderstorms across these mentioned areas. Okay, so please take all necessary precautions. And here's the rain forecast for the next 4 days until Monday. And you can clearly see here the slight effects of the southwest monsoon across western Visayas, western Mindanao, and MiMaRoPa. And it is ranging from 10 to 50 millimeters of rainfall every day, especially in the afternoon and evening across these areas. Bicol region, there are some isolated thunderstorms expected, as well as over the mountainous areas of northern and central Luzon. So please take all necessary precautions. And for the rainfall accumulation for the next 3 days until Sunday, so you can clearly see here that dark red, that's 50 millimeters of rain, while the orange is around 30 millimeters. That is expected to occur every day across the Zamboanga Peninsula, over western Mindanao as well, and the coastal waters of western Negros and western Panay, including northern Palawan, Calamian Group, and occidental Mindoro. Localized thunderstorms will also be expected over Masbate, some portions of eastern Visayas, and smaller areas of Bicol region. So there you go. That's the latest from the rainfall accumulation, and that ends our update for this weekend. So you can relax during the weekend, go out with your family. It's still safe enough, but expect these afternoon and evening rain showers and thunderstorms to occur every day, every afternoon or evening. But it's a hit or miss situation. It depends on where the thunderstorms will form. It's very hard to predict, but there's these chances around 50 to 60% of these afternoon or evening rain showers and thunderstorms. Don't forget to bring your umbrellas and rain gear when you go out for a picnic, or travel from town to town, or go to the mall, or wherever you want to go during the weekend. Just be safe always, and check out the latest situation of our weather conditions here in the Philippine Islands. So there you go. This is Mike Padua saying happy weekend to all. Enjoy your weekend ahead. Stay safe always. And thank you so much for watching our channel. See you again next week. God bless to all.